Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So the other day I noticed something. It's really dark in here, isn't it, right? So not too much at the moment because I've got the big doors open because it's really hot, it's summertime, it's beautiful, vest, sunburnt face. But if I shut the doors for 2 seconds, give me 2 seconds. There we go, it's quite dark. It's not too dark, it's not bad, I wouldn't say, but I've got an idea. So it also depends entirely on where I'm stood in the studio as well. So at the moment on the other side, there tends to be more lighting over this side because I've got bigger tanks. So let me spin you round. Whoop. So there's that big tank behind me, obviously, the angelfish aquarium, and obviously the new to be built goldfish aquarium as well. But you know what, now I'm starting to think if I just painted the whole of the roof white, like pure white, you wouldn't be able to tell any imperfections anyway. It'd add a ton of light in the whole room, and I don't think it'd actually affect any of the sort of video quality or anything. In fact, I think it will improve everything. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint the whole lot, just give it a go. If it doesn't work, I can put it back black anyway. I mean, making black white is probably take quite a few layers of paint, but I might as well. Look, I've thought about it now. I just feel like I've got to do it. Okay, so I'm in the store since the first time since it's reopened, and this is weird. It's like a one-way system and no one around. Apparently you're not allowed to go the wrong way either. We're all set up, we're ready to go. Let's just get that paint on the roof. I mean, like, just do it. You just got to go for these things. If you ever think you want to do something, you often talk yourself out of it. Just do it, get on with it. What's the worst that could happen? I mean, I suppose it could look awful, but it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. Well, hopefully you guys can see behind me, like I'm halfway done. It's actually taken way longer than I thought. I thought it's going to be like a quick thing, slap some paint up. Now you got to be more careful. Don't know if you noticed, I started painting without a cover. I noticed little flecks of paint just sort of spitting out. Only a tiny amount, but you know, I didn't want to take any chances, so I put a cover over the tanks, and I've done that on all of those. And yeah, look, it's coming along. It's so much brighter. Yeah, you can notice there's a big ceiling behind me at the moment, but when it's all white, it should look fine. It should look absolutely brilliant, I'm thinking anyway. It's already a lot brighter over in that other corner as well, which is exactly what we want. Oh guys, here we are, the new and improved studio. I'm loving it, look at that. I mean, it really stinks of paint in here. Like, it's quite strong fumes, but it's only water-based paint, so we're all good. I think everything's turned out brilliant though. Like, I just feel more lighting in here, like straight away. I think you'll agree. It looks great. Obviously, there's a roof right there, but that's all right. That's not gonna, it's not harming in any way, and I just think it's so much better. It feels lighter. Look, well, even all the way over here. Ow. But yeah, hopefully you guys are liking this. I love this. I cannot wait to film more videos of you now. Now, obviously, as I said, this tank is going to be going, so it's going to be sort of flat against the back wall. The shelving unit is coming out. It looks quite cool. I'll do something different. I'll make it all look good. Don't you worry about that. But, you know, this is cool. This is so light.